Every 24 hours, your cells make a catastrophic decision. They either repair, regenerate, or they surrender. By the time most adults reach their mid-40s, mitochondrial NAD+ levels have declined by more than 50%, stripping the cell of its primary energy currency. And dysfunctional cells do not simply die. Instead, they linger as senescent zombie cells, secreting a toxic inflammatory milieu that degrades surrounding tissue. Without targeted intervention, this cellular waste crisis silently accelerates biological aging at the molecular level. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before beginning any supplementation protocol. To understand the logic of reversal, we must look to the three pillars of cellular decline. The first pillar is the depletion of NAD+. A 2026 PRISMA systematic review published in Aging Research Reviews confirmed that oral supplementation with nicotinamide riboside, the key active compound in Thorne resveratrol, consistently demonstrated biochemical target engagement. It raises circulating NAD metabolites in human subjects. Critically, a 2026 comparative human trial reported that both NMN and NR approximately doubled circulating NAD+ levels within just 14 days, while standard nicotinamide produced no significant effect. This positions nicotinamide riboside as a clinically validated precursor with measurable, rapid bioindividual impact. But replenishing the cellular fuel is only half the battle. We must also protect the mitochondrial furnace where that fuel is burned. This brings us to the second pillar, mitochondrial membrane integrity. A 2022 peer-reviewed study in Frontiers in Neuroscience demonstrated that the combination of resveratrol and CoQ10 significantly increased cellular viability and reduced the release of lactate dehydrogenase. This synergistic system is the precise molecular rationale behind pairing resveratrol and CoQ10. These two compounds operate through complementary, non-redundant mechanisms to attenuate reactive oxygen species and enhance neural differentiation. While we support the energy production of the cell, we must also address the fire that burns within aging tissue. This is the third pillar, the control of inflammaging. Chronic low-grade inflammation is now recognized as the root driver of most age-related decline. To counteract this, we look to bioavailable curcumin and omega fatty acids. A clinical trial published in the Journal of Medicinal Food confirmed that bioavailable curcumin significantly reduced inflammatory cytokine markers, including IL-6 and TNF-alpha. The phytosome delivery system is the technological breakthrough here, providing up to 29 times greater absorption than standard curcumin extracts. Now that we understand the science of the pillars, we can translate this data into a modular, research-backed protocol for bioindividual optimization. Layer 1 is NAD plus repletion. We use resveratrol at 2 capsules daily to activate the salvage pathway and fuel Sirtuin longevity enzymes. This targets mitochondrial biogenesis and restores the cellular energy currency. Layer 2 focuses on mitochondrial membrane integrity. We integrate CoQ10 at 1 capsule 1 to 2 times daily. This replenishes ubiquinone in the inner mitochondrial membrane to sustain the electron transport chain and reduce oxidative damage. Layer 3 addresses systemic signaling. We use omega plus to deliver a balanced ratio of omega-3 and omega-6 from borage oil. This provides the foundational anti-inflammatory signaling layer necessary for heart, brain, and skin resilience. Layer 4 provides a comprehensive micronutrient and antioxidant matrix. We use Thorne Advanced Nutrients, which incorporates a polyphenol matrix, including quercetin phytosome, bilberry, and lycopene. This supports ocular integrity and provides a final layer of epigenetic defense. Finally, for the high performer, Layer 5 focuses on cellular structural energetics. By adding creatine, we support intracellular phosphocreatine regeneration, preserving peak ATP availability for high-demand tissues like the heart and skeletal muscle. This modular architecture allows a protocol to be calibrated to your specific metabolic phenotype and health goals. It transforms supplementation from a generic intervention into a precision-targeted longevity architecture. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional. For the complete clinical protocol summary, dosing spreadsheets, and our lab-vetted sources, visit the Longevity Logic Labs Protocol Hub linked in the description below. We update this database in real time as new clinical data and purity batches are verified. Thank you for supporting evidence-based science. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest longevity logic.